We have a serious guest, and she's going to tell us about impeachment. I say it is purely and totally political. I think it'll fail. I think there'll be a backlash against the Democrats for starting it in the first place. Who's here? Judge Jeanine Pirro, author of... See, I'm going to get it in for you. Don't worry. Getting it in. The book is called Author of Radicals, Resistance and Revenge, The Left's Plot to Remake America. OK, go at it. I say it's entirely political, it will fail, and there'll be a backlash.
I agree.
And no, we're not going to talk about your book right now. We're going to talk about impeachment. Go ahead.
Okay, look, you know, when they took this vote, Nancy Pelosi proved what a hypocrite she is, as if we needed the proof yet again, when she said earlier, I will not do this without a nonpartisan vote.
You wanted a bipartisan vote?
And you know, here's the bottom line. It was all Democrats, but for two who defected to the Republican side. And when you look at Clinton and you look at Nixon, you know, there was something that was so serious that everyone in the House voted for something to, you know, that they said there's something there. This is a bunch of nonsense. It is Shifty Schiff, as the president calls him, making up this whistleblower who's not a whistleblower. And by the way, they changed the rules for the whistleblower. You know, there was a time when you had to have direct evidence and direct knowledge in order to be a whistleblower. Within the past few months, they changed it so that you can use hearsay. They created a narrative. This is just like Russia collusion. This is Russia collusion 2. It's Ukraine. Next one, they're going to move to Romania. This is how they do it. In the end, they're going to lose. They're going to fall flat on their face. There are no rules. This guy, Adam Schiff, I mean, they're blowing smoke up his ship. I don't know what's going on with this guy.
Okay.
This guy actually thinks he has the right to deny the president and attorney, to have closed-door hearings even after they pass this rule, and to be able to say we're not going to allow this witness or that witness. Who does he think he is?
I think they lose, and I think there'll be a backlash. But I've got to get this in.
What?
Let's talk Hillary Clinton. Bill Clinton said yesterday that she, quote, may or may not run for president. Do you think she'll run? I don't. Do you think she'll run?
I hope so. I could do an open on her every Saturday night.
On
and
your
you know
show.
what? On my show,
Let's
Justice.
plug your show.
Yes, 9 o'clock Saturday. Don't worry about that. Look, the woman thinks that she should run because she won last time and she'll win again this time. The woman's delusional. She needs to go back in the woods with the dog. Remember, she was in the woods with the dog after she lost. Yeah. Okay, the woman is delusional. If she wants to run, great. Donald Trump will beat her again. And, you know, Joe Biden, I'm going to beat Trump like a drum. Well, Trump will beat her like a drum. I mean, this is craziness. These people are lunatics. The bottom line is America, middle America, they want results. They want jobs. They want an economy that works, small businesses, deregulation. They want a border. They want all the things that you guys talk about here on Fox Business. They don't want this nonsense.
You know, Judge, you're absolutely right, and we're in total agreement. What was the name of the book again?
Radicals, Resistance and Revenge, The Left's Plot to Remake America.
Right.
And that's what it's all about,
And
the
all
plot
future
to remake
sales,
America.
all future sales are commissionable to this show and me.
Yes,
Judge,
and you know what? Are you going to move to Florida?
If and when I retire.
Yeah.
If. That's a big if. Judge, thanks very much, love. Appreciate it. Always.